removing the tank. Why we have to remove the tank in this model is the air filter is below the tank, and the clutch cable, if we need to route it properly, we have to remove the tank completely and route it properly. If anyone is replacing the air filter or replacing the clutch cable, so we may have to remove the tank. These are the tools we are going to use during this activity. So spanners, torch, Allen keys, some basic tools. He's my son. He's going to help me today for this activity. Start from the scratch. I'm removing the pillion seat and then rider seat. Keep it aside, safe. We have to remove these 3 Allen screws, 1, 2 and 3, and we have to loosen this bolt. I'm going to use a 5 mm Allen key for this activity. First loosen all the screws, and then later on you can remove all these 3. So these are the 3 screws which I have removed. Keep it safe. Finally we are going to use this to fit the tank. Better to remove one more screw in the top side. So this is a small plastic which we have to remove before taking the tank out. Keep this screw as well safe. Slightly push this plastic towards forward and then pull it from the top. Keep the handle straight aligned, so easily you can remove it if it is straightly aligned. Check whether the tank is loose. So you may lift the tank and then check inside what are all the connections is there for your understanding. Before you are removing using the video, you can check yourself what are all. So there will be one evap pipe and one small pipe which is a drain hole for the fuel, and this is this connector which you see, this is for the fuel pump. So this also I have removed. And then we have to remove the fuel which I already removed it. So this is the fuel pipe. So this pipe, you can see the yellow color portion on both sides of the pipe. Press it towards inner part of the hose, and then pull it horizontally. Don't pull it down, because the output from the tank is so you have to pull it horizontally. So you can see this is a fuel gauge connector. This is in the other side of the vehicle, right side of the vehicle, which we have to remove this as well. Now all the connectors have been removed. We have to go and then remove the, just lift the tank and then keep it in a safe place. So this is Himalayan 450 without the tank. So keep it in a safe place. I recommend having a less fuel during this activity. This is a air filter. We need to remove these 3 screws to take out the air filter. This is fuel pump connector. This one we have removed, and we removed the fuel pipe, and one is overflow drain, and then another one is evap, and fuel gauge connector. So these 5 connections in terms of electrical and then hose we have removed. I'm fixing the tank back. So carefully align the hoses. There is a rubber shaft. There is a rubber on the shaft. You have to place it there and then connect all the connections. So this is in a completed condition.